Imagine this, it's 2025, and someone just built a one-person AI-powered business from their laptop and made over $1 million in revenue. Sounds crazy? It's not. AI is moving so fast that those who act now could ride the biggest wealth wave of our generation. Today, I am going to break down 7 AI business ideas that could actually make you a millionaire in 2025. These aren't far-off futuristic dreams, they're practical, profitable, and waiting for you to take action. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit subscribe to Official Finance Clarity, because here, finance is made simple, and wealth is made possible. AI isn't just about ChatGPT or flashy tools. It's a business revolution. From automating services to building digital products, entrepreneurs who understand AI can scale 10x faster with less overhead than ever before. So let's get into the 7 AI business ideas that can turn you into a millionaire in 2025. Idea number 1. AI content creation agency. Brands, YouTubers, and small businesses all need content, lots of it. AI can now generate scripts, social posts, images, even video edits. Instead of doing everything manually, you can launch a content creation agency powered by AI tools. Use AI to draft blogs, emails, and social media posts. Offer package deals for businesses that can't keep up with content demands. Scale quickly because AI allows you to manage more clients with fewer employees. The market for content marketing is projected to hit over $600 billion by 2025. Get even a small slice, and you're golden. Idea number 2. AI-powered e-commerce stores. Think Shopify, but smarter. AI can design websites, recommend winning products, write product descriptions, and even run ad campaigns. Imagine running a one-person e-commerce store where AI analyzes trends to tell you what's hot, creates professional product listings, optimizes your ads on Facebook and TikTok. With AI automating the heavy lifting, you focus on strategy and scaling. People are already building 6-figure e-com stores. This way 2025 could take it to 7 figures. Idea number 3. AI chatbot business. Every business from real estate agents to restaurants needs customer support. Instead of hiring big teams, they want smart AI chatbots that can handle questions 24/7. You don't need to code from scratch. There are no-code AI chatbot platforms. Your business is setting them up for clients, customizing responses, and charging monthly fees. This is a recurring revenue model, meaning once you land clients, you get paid every single month. Scale to 100 clients, paying $200 a month. That's $20,000 monthly. Idea number 4. AI course creation and education. Online learning is massive, and AI makes course creation way faster. You could use AI to structure a course, write lessons, and even generate slides. Focus on high-demand niches like finance, coding, or health. Sell on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your own website. With smart marketing and AI doing the heavy lifting, your course could become a digital asset that makes money while you sleep. Idea number 5. AI-powered marketing agency. Businesses need help running ads, analyzing data, and improving conversions. With AI tools, you can run Facebook, Google ads optimized by machine learning. Use AI analytics to cut ad waste and improve ROI. Offer cheaper, faster results than traditional agencies. Clients don't care how you do it, they just want results. Position yourself as an AI-powered marketing solution, and you can charge premium rates. Idea number 6. AI-driven personal finance and investment tools. People want better ways to manage their money. Imagine creating an AI app that helps users budget, track expenses, or even invest smarter. This could be a subscription app, a browser extension that tracks spending, or even an AI assistant that suggests personalized money tips. The fintech industry is exploding, and if you build even a niche AI finance tool, you could create massive value and massive income. Idea number 7. AI business consulting. Most businesses know they should be using AI, but they don't know where to start. That's where you come in. Offer AI consulting services. Audit a business's workflow. Show them where AI can save time and money. Set up the right tools for them. Charge premium consulting fees because the ROI for businesses can be huge. So there you have it. 7 AI business ideas that could make you a millionaire in 2025. But here's the truth. Ideas are cheap, execution is priceless. The people who take action today will own the future. Start small. Pick one idea that excites you. Use AI as your leverage. If you got value from this, make sure to subscribe to Official Finance Clarity for more business and money building strategies. Drop a comment. Which AI business idea would you start first? I'd love to hear from you. Remember, finance made simple, wealth made possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.